Hello everyone. What I have for you today is the Thirard Trafic 6. Go ahead and get it picked and gutted today. Now, I can't be totally sure, but I believe this has absolutely no security pins in it. But we'll find out when we gut it. Actually, we go from this way. Try to get you a good view here. Picks a little tight in this side of the keyway here. I'm trying to wiggle it under the pins without going too far. There we go. All right. Well, let's get this thing gutted. Curious to see what's inside it. See if I got a shim. Yeah. I've got some more shims in there, but I'm gonna try to get the most I can out of this one. I think this is the last use for this one. Ah, shit. Okay. Thought I'd locked it back up for a second. I do not have a key for this, so if I mess up and lock it back up, I've got to pick it again. I should have took the clip off of this before I picked it, because chances are I am going to end up locking it back up on accident trying to get this thing off. Nope. There we go. All right. Hanging up on something in there. Oh, son of a bitch, I locked it up. Anyway, we will re-pick it and get it open. Nothing to it. Shit. At least that back clips off now. All right. Sorry about that, guys. But when I was taking the clip off, I locked it back up. Oh, there we go. I wasn't putting any tension on it. Oh, we don't want to pull the core out. Alright. Give me my tension wrench. There we go. Okay, we can see that everything needed to be picked. Now, let's dump these pins out. Focus. Oh. Alright, pin 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. Alright, I was mistaken about this not having any security pins in it. 3 of the key pins are spooled. I'll show them to you in a few minutes. Alright, gonna start at the back here. I have a serrated, I believe that's serrated. Hold on. Nope, standard driver. Standard driver. Standard. Another standard. Same there. And same there. Alright, here I'm going to pull one of these springs out. I'll just dump out number 1. All the springs are the same. So let's get a close-up on these pins. So I'm on camera. And you can see we've got a couple of spooled key pins here. Everything else appears to be standard. Let's see if we can get a good look at one of these drivers. Yeah, they're all standard. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Sorry you had to watch me pick that twice. Everyone, have a great day, and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching.